Okay guys, so this is basically your entire tire plug kit. It comes with the rubber cement, the rubber, the Reamer tool, and the placement tool right here. So the first tool you're going to use is the Reamer tool, and this tool is basically going to hollow out your puncture site so that it has clean edges so the rubber can rest up easy in there and there's no loss of gas, or no loss of air. So let's move to the screw puncture and show you how to remove this. Okay guys, so this is our this is actually a screw, and the easiest way to do this, yeah, you can try to manipulate a pliers in here, but vice grips, it's going to be very hard to get in there. It's at an angle, and there's just no way I can grab both sides of this screw. So I have a Phillips head screwdriver. I'm going to attempt to take it out, and yes, it is coming out very easily. Okay, this looks like a drywall screw of some sort. So I have my Reamer tool ready. As soon as this comes out, I'm going to hear air coming out. Okay, so I have a little bit of air coming out, not that much. So you're going to take your Reamer tool now. This can be a little challenging, but it is what it is. Spin this, you know, use two hands. I've even kicked this before to get it in the tire, but it is not as easy as you would think. There's no real easy way for me to put this, but trying to ream it in there, I guess you could say. Okay guys, have a drill here, obviously with the drill bit on it. Now what I did was I took my Reamer tool and I measured my drill bit, and this is what I came up with. I just put that drill bit to see what the same size of the Reamer tool was, and that's what I came up with, and I believe it's 5/32. So now I'm just going to simply take my drill bit, and that pretty much, you guys can hear the air coming out. But now the Reamer tool is able to go in there, hold that air in, and now I can clean it out with the Reamer tool. Okay, so basically now you got it started. You're just gonna go basically in and out. Deal. Stuff is a little sticky, but it's not like crazy sticky where it's going to stick to you. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to take one of these strips. You're basically going to put this right through here, right through the eyelet. You guys can see that. You're going to pull it through the eyelet. Okay, pulling through the eyelet. You can see that, so that it's centered like this. Okay, and now what you're going to do is you're going to coat this with your rubber cement that comes in the package. Coat this like this. Now what you're going to do is you're going to pull out your Reamer tool and you're going to insert your plug. Then when you insert it, basically pull it out. So you have this. There's two ends sticking out. And what you're going to do is let this dry for about 5 minutes. You're going to come back and you're going to cut the tabs on this plug so that it's flush with the tread. So let's do that in about 5 minutes. Alright guys, so basically you see the two, trying to get you the best angle that I can. I'm going to basically cut this with a razor knife, best you can, close to the tread as possible. Looks like I got a really good plug there. Looks really good. I know it's kind of hard to see, but it's really flush. You guys can see that. It's right here. And it is pretty damn flush with the tread. Well, that's about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, comment, share your posts. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.